Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the PS5 error CE-108863-6 in 2026. Now, if your game crashes or won't start because of this error, you can just simply try this method. So first of all, this error is often caused by a buggy or outdated game version. So you need to first of all go to your game. Then you need to simply press the options. Afterwards, you need to check for updates. And then if you see any of the updates available, you need to simply install the updates or the pending updates. Now, if the issue still persists, you can try deleting the game that's causing the error and then you can reinstall it. The corrupted files are also one of the biggest reasons why this CE-108863-6 error occurs. Now, you can also turn off your PS5 completely. Then you need to hold the power button until you hear the second beep. Then when you are into the safe mode, select the option of rebuild database. This is going to fix the hidden system errors. Just make sure that your PS5 has enough free storage as well. The low or unstable storage can also cause the game crashes. Now you need to also make sure that you are using the updated version. For that, you need to go to the settings. In your settings, go to systems. In systems, go to the option of system software update and settings. Over here, look for the option of update using internet. Then select the option of update system software. Afterwards, if you are able to find the update available, you just have to click on the update option and then simply update your system. When you install the latest update, it is going to fix the bugs that are basically affecting your game. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.